Dr. Andrews. Dr. Andrews is a very passionate educator and researcher who, continues to inspire UB's business students, particularly in the field of economics. Tell us, Doc, how important, or maybe what did you find as one of the most important aspects of this graduating class?
Well, good afternoon, Ima and Alex. And I think today, as we all know, the focus is on our students. Students, their parents, and all their family that are here today. This is their special day that they have worked for during all the last years, semesters, everything. This is the culmination of their success. So in our economics program, of course, at UB, is very unique and very important because apart from theoretical aspects, we also share the practical applications. And one of the key successes of our program, not only in economics, but in all the different disciplines under the Faculty of Management and Social Sciences, is the placement of our students. After they graduate, the most important thing is, of course, if they don't further their education, is to obtain a job, right? So that the success of our graduates is proven by where they're placed. So a lot of our successful graduates are in very high government positions, in business, private businesses, in NGOs, and even in international agencies. So that shows the quality of the education that they achieve at the University of Belize.
I'd like to just add on that very quickly. One of our graduates, and who happens to be our social media brand ambassador, David Morey, in a prior interview, spoke about the importance of him understanding that I have a talent. I want to be an entrepreneur, right? I want to own my own business. And so he came to the realization that I need to equip myself, because talent alone will only take you so far. But being able to spread your wings in terms of formal education, learning the important skill set. Do we have any kind of entrepreneurial program or courses?
Yes, of course, and David has been a student of mine too in economics, but yes, what I had mentioned is that apart from the theoretical applications at the university, is the practical applications, the internships where they get placed with different organizations, and a lot of them, because of the high quality of education they receive at UB, they end up getting employed by those same agencies. So that is some of the key parameters that measures the success of the graduates or graduates?
Graduates.
Graduates.
Oh, soon to be graduates.
In the next couple hours, they will be graduates, right, Alex? Yes, but like I said, Ima and Alex, today the focus is on our students. So I personally want to congratulate all the students, the parents, everyone who is here today. After all the toil, after all the sacrifices a lot of them made, because remember our students are online and from all the corners of Belize.
Right.
All right, so today is their day and we give it up to them. What do you say? Big up?
Big up, big nail.
Big up.
Any final message you'd like to give your students?
Yes, well, to the students in economics, go out there and do your thing. You've spent all the years, all the semesters. We have prepared you on the strong foundation, like I said, on the theoretical applications and on practical experiences. So the success rate is when I see you and I say they work at somewhere,
Right.
and I say, oh, that was my past student.
Yes.
Well, also to all the disciplines under the Faculty of Management and Social Science, which is led by our Dean Watler.
Right.
So I have to big up our Dean,
big up
Dean.
Right.
And all the faculty are well qualified, well with expertise, and that is the measurement of the success at UB. So thank you very much, and again, congrats to our students.
Thank you so much, Dr. Andrews. Leadership and mentorship continue to uplift our community.
Thank you.
Thank you.